Everyone talks about Silicon Valley and Beijing. But what if the real story of the AI revolution was happening where almost no one is looking? Tonight we chart a secret global map. 10 small countries powering and profiting from AI in ways the world barely understands. Some shape code, some dig deep, some turn law into currency, but all are rewriting the rules of global wealth. Ready to spot the next big trend before the headlines do? Let's count down from 10 to 1. Number 10, Serbia, the code factory that never sleeps. Ever wonder who actually trains the AI models, labels the images, or builds the gaming engines for Europe's unicorns? Here's a wild fact. Serbia has more engineering grads per capita than Germany, and a median software salary half that of Paris. Major AI firms quietly route data, dev and R&D work here. But it's not just labor. Serbia's startup scene is catching fire. Last year, Serbian gaming studios made headlines for selling titles to US giants. Prediction: Serbia will produce Europe's next breakout AI unicorn, probably in gaming or automation. Number 9, Portugal, where the sun never sets on AI. Portugal isn't just a remote work paradise, it's a 24/7 AI engine. By day, teams code for London fintechs. By night, they're on calls with Sao Paulo or Lagos, pushing updates that instantly span continents. Did you know? Portugal now hosts over 500 AI-focused startups, double what it had just 3 years ago. Its special sauce: deep cultural and language ties to both Brazil and Africa, making Portuguese-made AI solutions instantly global. Watch this. The next billion-dollar AI app for the Portuguese-speaking world, odds are it's being built in a sunny cafe in Lisbon right now. Number 8, Luxembourg, Europe's data fortress. Luxembourg is like a digital Switzerland. Your data, your secrets, your satellite feeds, they all pass through the world's most regulated, most secure digital pipelines. Shock stat. This microstate handles more cross-border financial data than most countries, 10 times its size. Bold prediction. As privacy regulations tighten, Luxembourg could become Europe's sovereign AI bank, selling data trust as a national export. Number 7, Chile, digging up the AI revolution. Without copper, there's no AI. Full stop. Chile is the #1 copper supplier on Earth, and it's now gunning for lithium dominance too. Did you know? Global copper demand for tech is set to double by 2035, with AI as the biggest driver. Chile's mining isn't old school anymore. AI-powered robots, drones, and sensors are running show, making extraction cleaner and smarter. Controversial take. The next chip crisis won't be in Silicon Valley. It'll be in Chilean mining town. Number 6, Ireland, where clouds touch ground. You use Irish infrastructure every single day, even if you never knew it. More than 70% of European internet traffic flows through Ireland, and nearly every major US tech company has an EU base here. Wild fact, Ireland has more data centers per capita than any other EU country. But it's not just servers. Irish engineers and support teams make the world's biggest cloud apps work 24/7. Keep an eye out. With data laws tightening, Ireland's influence as a digital gatekeeper will only grow. Number 5, Finland, where cold air meets hot ideas. Finland is where green energy meets deep tech. Its clean grid powers some of the world's greenest data centers, while Finnish AI firms push out innovations in health, telecom, and even smart snowplows. Did you know? Finland's Elements of AI course has now taught over 1 million people, making it the world's largest AI literacy campaign. And when it comes to ethics, Finland's voice is louder than its size. Prediction: the next big thing in sustainable, ethical AI? Watch for it coming from Helsinki. Number 4, UAE, silicon in the sand. Most people think oil, but in the UAE, the new gold rush is silicon, data, and code. Billions are being poured into AI universities, chip making, and data centers cooled by solar power. Bold stat: The UAE is on pace to be the highest per capita spender on AI infrastructure globally by 2027. If you want to see policy, money, and ambition in overdrive, this is the test bed. Bet, the Middle East's first AI super app, will launch from the UAE, combining payments, health, and smart city tech in ways we haven't seen before. Number 3. Singapore, Asia's real-time lab. Singapore doesn't just adopt new tech, it stress tests it for the world. From AI-managed ports to cashless city living, every logistics, finance, or smart city breakthrough in Asia runs through here. Did you know Singapore has more AI researchers per square kilometer than anywhere else in the world? Its secret, lightning-fast regulation, public-private partnerships, and a culture that treats innovation like oxygen. Controversial take. The next time Asia leapfrogs the West in smart cities, the blueprint will come from Singapore. Number 2. Israel. Survival mode. Innovation mode. Every crisis is an opportunity in Israel. Startups spin out of army intelligence units. Chip giants build their best R&D labs here. Shockstat. Israel has produced more AI unicorns per capita than anywhere else on the planet. AI from Israel powers everything from cancer diagnostics to missile defense, and the exit stories keep getting bigger. Watch for the world's next breakthrough in autonomous vehicles or AI-powered medical imaging will likely have an Israeli founder behind it. Number 1. Estonia, the digital country prototype. Estonia isn't just digital first, it's digital native. Online voting, AI-powered public services, digital IDs, the kind of tech most countries only dream about. Did you know? Estonia runs the only e-government system so resilient it can be rebooted from another country if ever attacked. Its AI-first mandate means that every ministry, every service is getting smarter by the month. Bold prediction. Estonia will license its e-government and digital society tech to half of Europe within 10 years. As the world chases headlines, real opportunity is being built in places few ever search. If you want to navigate global wealth trends to grow your future, track the nations quietly building, mining, securing, and exporting the tools that will power the next trillion-dollar wave. Which hidden engine surprised you most? Would you invest in copper or code? Comment below. Let's get the debate started. Subscribe to Wealth Atlas Official for the next trend before it's news, and remember, sometimes seeing what's invisible is your greatest edge.